morning, everyone. So, I am the reporter of Lesson 8. My topic is all about work takes features. Outcome-based education. This is an educational approach that focuses on defining specific learning outcome or objectives first and then designing instructional methods and activities to achieve those outcomes. So, outcome based education for me it is very important because it brings clarity to educational goal, places the focus on students learning, aligns assignment with objectives, fos- fosters continuous improvement, makes educational relevant to the real world, to ensures accountability and accommodates diverse learning needs. In outcome-based education, we have first the principles of OBE. The following principles are clarity of focus, means that the desired outcome of every big idea or topic covered by the course has been made clear at the beginning of the course and in every lesson. So, in the clarity of focus, in essence, clarify of focus in OBE ensures that educational efforts are purposeful, measurable, and aligned with broader instructional goals. It guides the entire educational process from curriculum design to assessment, creating a more effective and transparent learning experience. So next, we have the second principle, which is high expectations, refers to the articulation of the quality indicators for one to be considered successful in attaining the desired outcome. So, when we talk about high expectation in outcome-based education, push students to excel, prepare them for real-world challenges, promote critical thinking, and contribute to a culture of excellence. So, they align education with global standards to enhance accountability and drive continuous improvement sa ilang kagalingon and ultimate resulting in a more impactful educational experience. So the third or the last principle is that the design down requires articulation of the desired outcome of the topic, its culminating performance task, and its alignment to instructional activities. So, in this manner, in any interpretation, the central idea is a systematic and intentional approach to curriculum and instructional design, where the broader educational goals guide the development of the specific learning outcomes and the overall learning experiences. So, this alignment is crucial in outcome based education or OBE to ensure that the education provided is coherent, purposeful, and directly contributes to the intended results. So, sa makalimot ko ginsa unsa ang OBE, it stands for outcome based education. Next, we have the PSG's align. PSG's alignment of the context to the PSG's defined by CHED has been made evident in its title and the statement of the course outcomes. So, based on my research, as of January 2022, PSGs in the context of outcome-based education or OBE doesn't have a widely recognized or standard meaning. However, context and abbreviation can evolve and new terms may emerge. So, in addition, the meaning of acronyms can vary between different educational institutions or regions. So it's important to consider the specific context, no, in which the term is being used. Next, we have the standards base. Standards base, the PPST was also targeted as another reference in defining the program outcomes and the quality of performance of the culmo- culminating task set, where pre-service teachers are expected to demonstrate the desired learning outcomes of every lesson. So, a standards-based approach in outcome-based education ensures that education is guided by clearly defined standards or objectives. This alignment helps to kanang create a cohesive educational experience, enhances transparency, and support the continuous improvement of teaching and learning processes. Next is the 21st century skills and strategies focused. 21st century skills and strategies focused. Integration of technology. Technology is being used as a tool to enhance the educational process. Second is 21st century skills designed to cultivate a specific set of skills known as 21st century skills. So nasa yung mga parts, no? Collaboration, communication, critical thinking and problem solving, creative thinking and innovation. So when we talk about integration technology, so the integration of technology in outcome-based education itself enhances the learning experience by providing access to diverse resources, supporting personalized learning, and facilitating data-driven decision making. It aligns with the goals of OBE by promoting effective, efficient, and student-centered education. So gamit kayo karon nga natay integration technology kay para ma-enhance ang atuang knowledge kay kung nanatay wa hibal-an atuang ma-search posible sa Google. So the 21st century skills, it means that outcome-based education aims to cultivate 21st century skills by focusing on critical thinking, creativity, communication, collaboration, information literacy, digital literacy, adaptability, cultural competence, and ethical leadership and commitment to lifelong learning. The fifth one or the last one is that whole child sensitive. Whole child sensitive. The work text will address the whole child tenets where pre-service teacher will be developed holistically, um, meeting the standards for a professional beginner, a beginning teaching in a learning environment which the Association of for Supervision and Curriculum Development during 2018 defines as a place where they could be healthy, safe, engaged, supported, and challenged. So, in the whole child sensitive approach in outcome based education goes beyond traditional academic measures and aims to nurture students in a comprehensive manner, considering there will being individual differences, social and emotional growth, and preparation for a fulfilling life beyond the classroom. So ang highlights ani is that the outcome based education itself is the root of all learning to the students, kay dire man gud ang beginning and the end of the learning, kay from the word outcome based education, it talks about education itself. Thank you so much, ma'am and classmates, for listening. I hope you learned something.